Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Harford County in northern Maryland, southeastern Carroll County in north central Maryland, central Baltimore County in northern Maryland, Baltimore City in northern Maryland, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were detected along the line extending from 10 miles west of Jarrettsville to Oakland, and were moving east at 15 miles per hour. This line of storms is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Owings Mills, Randallstown, Milford Mill, Cockeysville, Falstaff, Pikesville, Lockern, Jarrettsville, Howard Park, Timonium. This is a dangerous line of storms. If you are in its path, move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. Report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland.